Opening a trading account. To open a trading account with Exness, you should first register your own personal space on our website, which is called the Personal Area. To register a personal area, go to the registration page on exness.com. Enter your mobile phone number with your country code, email, and the password you wish to use to log into your personal area. Enter the activation codes sent to your mobile phone and email. After this step has been completed, your personal area will have been created. To continue with registration, enter your general information and read and accept all legal documents. After that, choose one of the security types. Depending on the security type you choose, you will get a verification code via SMS or email every time you withdraw funds or change certain settings in your personal area. Next, set up a secret word using a combination of 6 to 10 English letters and numbers. You will need the secret word when contacting our support team. It cannot be changed or restored, so make sure you save it. Finally, enter your personal information and fill in your residential address. Now, choose the trading platform you would like to open an account for and click the plus sign. Choose the account type and select the maximum leverage and currency for your account. Enter your trading password, which will be used for trading on the platform, and investor password that others can use to access the platform to evaluate your trading. That's it. Your trading account has now been created. The next steps are to verify your identity and address by uploading supporting documents, deposit funds, and start trading. Thank you for choosing Exness. Navigating your personal area. The Exness Personal Area is a secured page where you will find all information related to your account, such as your balance, trading accounts, free margin, leverage, etc. The total balance available for withdrawal is shown at the top, and for each account, the free margin is shown in the respective account's detail box. If you wish to change the leverage, you can either change it from the account's detail box or from the Settings tab. Deposit and Withdrawal will show you the list of payment systems that you can use to make deposits and withdrawals. Stats can be found here in the Monitoring tab, showing your profit, loss, growth, and many more. The next important step for you would be to verify your documents. Simply click here and follow the instructions. To update your account and personal details, you can go to the Settings tab and make the changes you wish. Technical analysis of your trades can be seen in the More Analytics tab. In order to get the analytics, a minimum deposit is required. The Partnership tab will help you find out how to become an Exness partner and potentially earn money. That's all. You are now familiar with the Exness Personal Area. Thank you for choosing Exness. Download, install, and log in to Mobile Terminal, iOS. To begin, visit the Exness website, go to Tools, click the MetaTrader 4 tab, and download the terminal. Once you have downloaded the app, 1. Click Login to an existing account. 2. In the Enter Company or Server name field, type Exness and choose your server. 3. Enter your account number as your login. 4. Enter your account trading password as your password. 5. Tick Save Password if you wish to keep the password saved on your device. 6. Click Sign In. You can add more than one trading account to your mobile terminal. To do that, click Settings, New Account, log into an existing account, and enter your account authorization data. Once you've added new accounts, you can easily switch between them. To do that, go to Settings and click on the account number you are currently logged in with. You will then be able to switch between the accounts you've added to your mobile terminal. Thank you for choosing Exness. Download, install, and log in to Mobile Terminal, Android. To begin, visit the Exness website, go to Tools, and click the MetaTrader 4 tab. Select MetaTrader 4 for Android and you will be redirected to the Google Play. Once you have downloaded the app on your phone, 1. Click Login to an existing account. 2. In the Enter Company or Server name field, type Exness and choose your server. 3. Enter your account number as your login. 4. Enter your account trading password as your password. 5. Tick Save Password if you wish to keep the password saved on your device. 6. Click Sign In. You can add more than one trading account to your mobile terminal. In your Android terminal, go to Menu, Manage Accounts, Plus, log into an existing account, and enter your account authorization data. Once you've added new accounts, you can easily switch between them. In your Android terminal, go to Menu, Manage Accounts, and you will find the account information for all the different accounts that you have logged in with. Tap on the account you want to switch to. Thank you for choosing Exness. Log in to your trading platform. To begin, simply launch the MT4 terminal and key in your login, password, and server details in the login window. Your login is your MT4 account number, which you can find easily in the email sent to you when you first registered your account. The server number is also clearly indicated in the email. These details are also available in your personal area. Next, enter the trading password you previously set during account registration. Do note that it is necessary to log into MT4 using your trading password to be able to trade. Should you enter your investor password, your access will be limited to only allow viewing and monitoring. No trading functions will be available. Select Save Account Information if you wish to, then click Login and you're done. You may also check your connection status with the status counter at the bottom right of the trading platform. Thank you for choosing Exness. Configuring the MT4 terminal. Hi, I'm John from the Exness support team, and I'm about to walk you through the steps of configuring your MT4 terminal. Changing language. To change language, click View, Languages, and select the language of your choice. Restart the terminal. Please ensure that the language of your PC's operating system is the same as the language you've chosen, or else the language script might not load properly. Adding trading instruments. Next step is to add trading instruments. In the Market Watch window, right-click and select Symbols. You will see a list of symbol groups. Choose the group under which you would like to trade. For example, if you have a mini account, choose Forex Mini and double-click the currency pair. To see the full list of trading instruments available for your account type, go to the Contract Specifications page on our website. Configuring charts. After you've added trading instruments, in the Market Watch window, select the instrument you'd like to see a chart for and drag it into the chart window. Just like that. To modify the chart type, click on the icon of your preferred one in the toolbar, or click on Charts and select Bar Chart, Candlesticks, or Line Chart according to your preference. You can also switch between time frames. Just click on the icon of the one you prefer in the toolbar, or on Charts, and select the time frame that you would like to use. You can change the appearance of your charts as well. You will need to open the Charts Properties window by right-clicking on your chart and choosing Properties. Here you can change your color settings. Add the Ask line by choosing Common and ticking on the Show Ask line box. Add period separators and more. You can always check MetaTrader 4 help topics from the Help button. Thank you for choosing Exness.